Hi guys, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome back to our channel. If you don't know us, I am Anusha and she is Tisha. So you guys are gonna travel with Trishas. Today we are gonna make churros. It is a Spanish dish. It is a quick dessert. It is a kids-friendly dish. So today I and Trisha is gonna make this dish. Are you ready? Yeah!
Let's go into the video.
Required are so I think you would have saw all the ingredients. So now let's start the preparation. So first we are gonna put
Water.
next we are gonna put milk. Third ingredient
Butter.
Fourth ingredient is sugar.
Now we mix it.
Now let's mix it. Good. So why we choose induction stove is it's kids friendly, so it's not anything like we are not making her near the fire or anything. It's just induction stove, so it's kids friendly.
Strawberry water.
Start. So the water, milk, butter and sugar should melt nicely. Until then we stir nicely. 1. So after it boils, slow down the flame to the lowest. Then we are gonna add maida. So now I am adding maida. For this process, if our adult is near with you, it is good. Okay, so we must do it. So this dish actually my sister only found, my elder sister, who's holding the camera again. Yeah, Shasha, who's holding the camera. So yeah, so this is the step, guys. Okay, so it must get like a thick paste.
So guys, the batter should should all come together like this.
Like chapati.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like the chapati batter.
Like this.
So now the dough is totally ready. So you can see, you can have a look. I look at this dough. So now take a separate bowl and we are going to add these 3 eggs into the new bowl. Now the vanilla extract too we are going to add in this egg. So we are going to whisk the egg and the vanilla extract nicely. It has to combine together. So this is the egg I whisked. So I finished whisking.
So little by little, put it in the dough and coordinate it well, like this. So now keep mixing it like this. You will feel the flour to be separated, but it's okay. Like keep mixing till it combines together.
So this is actually a deep fry process. So take a pan with oil. Then after the oil get heated, we are gonna do the next step.
So while your oil is getting heated, pour the mixture into your piping bag like this. Fry it till golden brown. Guys, fry it till golden brown like this.
So guys, this is our last batch of churros. So did you see the color? It should become golden brown. Okay, so we have done some and kept. With the cinnamon powder, we put the cinnamon powder and kept. For the last batch, I will show you the how to put the cinnamon powder. So next is gonna be the hot chocolate, which we are gonna show you. It will be like a sauce which we can dip and eat. Okay guys, so this is the cardamom powder or cinnamon powder. Cinnamon and icing sugar powder. Now actually I didn't show you guys how I applied because it was a little long process. We actually made little more, no, so we had to keep on doing. So only now I'll show you how we should apply. Okay, so I'm taking some, keep it here and just apply it on the top. Okay, and do one by one so that it won't mess up. Okay, so after doing one, keep it in the serving plate. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the way. It's not very hard and all, just apply it, but see that it gets applied everywhere. That's the main point of it. So guys, do try this recipe and comment how it was. You can comment down below how it was. Okay, so and this is more nice with chocolate sauce. It will be very tasty with chocolate sauce. So the next step we are going to show how to make chocolate sauce. So guys, churros is ready. Okay, so this is dipped in cinnamon powder and we kept everything ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. Now we are going to make the chocolate syrup. Okay, so for that I have taken some Hershey syrup. Okay, this is Hershey syrup, and then Amul dark chocolate. Okay, so this you have to melt it in the microwave for 20 seconds or 25 seconds maximum. Okay, so guys, now the chocolate syrup is in the microwave. Meantime, now this is corn flour. Okay, we have taken 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Okay, now in the corn flour we are adding water and mix it. Mix this until it becomes like a fine paste. It can be like a fine paste or slurry liquid. Done. So guys, now the Hershey's and dark chocolate is nicely melted. Can you see the thick paste? Okay. So guys, keep another pan. Okay, then we are gonna add the corn flour with water, which I told you before. So let it run. So mix this with 2 tablespoons of milk. I have already added. Now add 2 spoons of sugar. and mix it well. Now I'm adding the dark chocolate and Hershey's syrup. Sasha, I'm so excited for the hot chocolate. If you want more recipes like this, do comment down below. Hot chocolate is ready. So you would all be thinking, so easy to make a hot chocolate.
Tasting time.
Now we are gonna taste the churros and the hot chocolate. Take.
It's like a day, guys.
Okay. So I'm taking number 1.
It's like a...
Okay, we are dipping in. Okay. Can you see? Okay, Trisha, say about it.
Yum.
Okay. How is the churros?
Good.
Okay. And your favorite hot chocolate? You liked it? Okay. So this is, guys, this won't be crispy or anything. This is like, it'll be very soft, if you see. And the sauce is superb. Not bitter, not so sweet. It's correct. Okay. So we'll take one more.
Like my pie chocolate.
Thanks to Shasha for the recipe. Go. So churros and hot chocolate was like superb. We all liked it. How was it, Trisha?
Nice.
Okay. In one word, she told nice. Okay. So do try this recipe. Then, if you want, you can just have a zoom look. So guys, we are gonna end up this video. So do subscribe, like, and share this video. If you think your friends also would like to do like this, some creative dishes. Until then, it's bye from Travel with Risha. Love you all. Bye.